बस इतना वक्त है कि हम बैठ के यहाँ पे हमने खाना भी खा लिया है. Just waiting. Next stop, Bangkok. This is Boo. Good morning. Boo, say hello in Thai. Oh, you gave me cry. Oh, guess what I spotted?
पापा पे क्या
Oh my God, what is he
निकल
doing?
गए हैं.
क्या plan अंगद अभी?
हाँ.
Acting like I'm a fan, huh? Just see how much time unnecessarily gives me a bad reputation for being late. I mean, हमारे पास इतना वक्त है कि हम बैठ के यहाँ पे हमने खाना भी खा लिया है. Just waiting. Today we have broken all records because we have reached the airport even before check-in opened up. Next stop, Bangkok. We just landed in Bangkok and we have unmanned equipment at the Bangkok airport. Angad, how's the trip to Phuket?
Yeah, it was nice. I like the first place.
Oh, suitcases. Not ours. There's a big black suitcase coming from the back. That could be ours. गाड़ी में मिलते हैं. पहले हम suitcase ढूंढ लें. We haven't even landed in Bangkok. Like literally just landed and the shopping has begun. When the airport picked up, we were starving. But guess what? In every city, more than the food, you need the best people to serve. If you ever come to Renaissance Hotel, remember this guy, Boo. Who's the best? We've got free passes to go to one of the best play areas. What is this play area called?
Play Mondo is a local at Central World. We kind of keep
Right across. Oh, and guess what? What happens to mummies and daddies when they go to play areas? They do 18,000 steps a day. So we are excited. Angad, what do you have to say about Renaissance Boo's service?
Boo's amazing. Boo's outstanding. Boo's the best.
Boo's given us fried eggs at 7:30 in the evening, not in the morning. Boo, for the next 4 days, you're our man.
Okay, I have to fill your belly, okay?
This is Boo. Good morning. Who is making our stay much better? You will see lots of Boo. Boo, say hello in Thai.
In Thai. Oh, Swadika.
आपने सुन लिया स्वादिका. बहुत देर से मैंने एक्चुअली काफ़ी कुछ कर लिया है बट आई हैवंट बीन टॉकिंग टू यू ऑल फॉर व्हाइल बिकॉज ये ऑस्मो मैंने चार्ज पे छोड़ दिया था, उसके बाद मुझे मिला नहीं. सो हाय ऑस्मो, वेलकम बैक इनटू माय लाइफ एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली राइट नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू गो टू the largest squishy market. Where are we going?
Plaza.
Mega Plaza, according to Meher, because she's going to be a good girl if she gets a squishy. So yeah, very excited. That's our ride. Let's go. Time to go.
Take me some camera. You have to get me.
गलती कर दी है, ये मैंने कैमरा पे प्रॉमिस कर दिया. Let's see how many squishies she actually gets. Okay, if I end up spending too much money, it's my brother's fault. He sent me this reel and it was looking irresistible. So yeah, we are at Mega Plaza looking for squishies. Are you ready, man? Let's go! Uh-oh. Squishies से पहले बहुत कुछ और दिख गया है. So yeah. Angad, if you have to buy, might as well buy from here as opposed to the expensive shops. Seriously, it's a vibe. This place is a vibe. I still can't find what I'm looking for, but oh my god. Like... इतना सारा करने के बाद यहाँ स्क्विशी जगह पे आने के बाद Gurik of course is saying he doesn't like these. So let's see what happens. God, look how amazing this is. Oh, this is the find, guys. This is the find. You have to go up the escalator, find a store called... What is the store called? Yeah? The Toys Model, and you will find everything here. It's amazing, this store. This is a serious problem. I thought Thailand is a holiday. यहाँ पे तो सब खत्म हो रहा है, but more importantly, how cute are these squishies? Like even I can't control. These are all squishies, guys, for real. I mean, take a look at this. भाई यहाँ पे 6 घंटे हो गए शॉपिंग कर करके. I highly recommend this if you're one for bargains like me. Okay, you give less price.
No.
You give me cry. No. इतना ड्रामा करने के बाद नहीं मिल रहा है कुछ.
นี่เลส for you แล้วไอโนชาร์จยูนะชาร์จนี่
No, you give this. शर्म आ रही है.
please give for me
Oh, Mira! Okay, done?
Okay. No cry.
No cry!
You no cry, you happy. You want Salif?
No, Salit, me, Salit, Papa paying so much money. Me cry. Guys, there is a find for vintage watches. I've always wanted a vintage watch. I don't know how real or not this is, but this, yeah, me cry.
Okay, bye. Thank you.
Everybody look at Mindy, okay?
Okay,
ये अच्छा है,
अंगद का
size
phone एक
अच्छा।
minute on. We're coming out in a minute, अंगद. आ रहे हैं वो मेहर का भी चल रहा था अभी आ रहे हैं 1 मिनट. In the quest for food and shopping at the same time, this is where we've entered. And mostly आप सोचोगे कि किसी shopping mall में food court कैसा होगा. Let me show you how good this is. It's got everything. I always see everyone in Thailand carrying food in these little bags, but oh my god, this smells so good. And this is like authentic Thai food. Look how good this looks. क्या खाना है मेरीना आपको यहाँ से? This is fish. This is chicken. कौन सा खाना है? Fish. Hakka. It's so red. It's so spicy. And then next stop, some sushi. But I also want to try this. I'm very tempted. It's smelling too good. Oh my god! And it goes on and on and on. Yeah, it does. Meher is spotting more and more people with the Osmo. But look at this. Look at the food. Look at the food. Oh, guess what I spotted? We're going to eat froyos. I would never ever put up a video like this of me eating, but oh my god, I'm having the best fish cakes right now. Entire mall, street food style. Yes, Raja. Rice noodles with chicken. In slim milk. I don't know what this line is for, but it's for gelato. Carrots gelato. That is right here. It's not even a chain from here. What have you got me, Anga? Oh, I was supposed to buy you coffee. I forgot because I was shooting in Oslo. आप लोगों से बात करते करते again मैं पैसा खर्च करना भूल गई.
ये तो 1 रुपया कोई बंदा कट लवे ना मैं मन जा.
Speaking of 1 रुपया, ऐसा कोई लोग काट ले. But this is Anga's excuse. Now he'll say the card is not working. Is it working? No, decline. जितने भी बहाने मारो खर्चना तो मुझे ही पड़ता है. आज क्या करूँ मैं?
आज मैं खुद करूँगा.
क्या करोगे? Why? In Thailand, itchy days are only on the palm because खुर को होती है और पैसे चले जाते हैं. But apart from that, no more itchy days. More importantly, what am I doing today? Am I on track? I think I fell off the grid. I ate a little bit of sugar, so I must confess that my 3 months have to restart all over again. Every time I eat sugar, my 3 months have to restart. This is a mega fail. More than once. I mean, भगवान भी 3 मौके देता है तो मैं अपने आप को 3 मौके दूंगी. One chance I failed. Super sleepy right now. Don't feel like doing anything. Workout for today. Up body. 25 minutes incline walk with weights in my hand. So yeah, weighted. Angad, what should I do? I'm doing upper body today. What should I do?
खुद करो खुद.
Are? Only if Khurk made you do weight loss. Woo! Take a look at that. Am I on track or what? It's amazing here. The next thing I want to do is jump into this indoor pool. It's a lap pool. और हाँ, कल cardio है, परसों भी cardio है. So I've done 2 days of weight training on holiday. This isn't bad at all. I feel like I'm back on track. I hope I don't fall off the grid again. But yeah, breakfast o'clock. Let's go and see what's for breakfast right now. की खा रही हो? Cup and cup?
जैम खा.
Oh, gluten-free toast and jam. Yummy. Best coconut water in the world.
कपून खा, सारी खा, जैम खा, टोस्ट नान खा, कॉफी पी.
अगर मजाक नहीं हो रहा.
मजाक नहीं उड़ा रहे. मैं अपनी लैंग्वेज गल करा ना मजाक है. इन्हां दी लैंग्वेज गल करा ਤਾਂ ਮਜ਼ਾਕ ਹੈ. एक ही गल पहले कहते ने स्वादी खा. ਆਪਾਂ ਵੀ ਤਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ स्वादी है खा. फिर ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਪੂਨ खा means thank you. ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਭੁੱਲ ਹੀ ਹੈ. In your comments ਦੱਸੋ.
Where are we now? Harbourland, beautiful play area. Mall में है. Mall का नाम मैं भूल गई हूँ. But you can look up Harbourland. It's one of the coolest terrace rooftop water parks for kids. इसका review में हम बाद में देंगे. More importantly, oh my god, we just finished the wave island. That's exactly what it looks like. Massive waves, massive waves. And if you're with a 4-year-old and a 7-year-old in a water park, before the slides, the one thing they all want to do is the lazy river. ऐसे तो हो ही नहीं सकता कि हम यहाँ आए और हर एक राइड ना करें और वो भी कहीं तो जो पसंद आए वो 4 बार भी करनी पड़ेगी. But I'm up for anything. Look at this. How amazing is this, yaar? Okay, we're in this very interesting restaurant. इतना यहाँ पे सूप जो है गर्म हो रहा है, साथ में अंकल का दिमाग भी गर्म हो रहा है बिकॉज उसको भूख लगी हुई है. Just taken a break from the water park and the thing is that people here are so helpful. How cute is this? Little cutlery for my babies. Yummy yummy. और क्या है? हाँ, ये बहुत स्वाद है वंडा. This place is called Masaru. You must come here. It's so good, but it's like eat all you want kind of buffet. But it's also timed, so I'm very sorry. I have to go and eat because timer on है.
ब्लॉग का फाइनल कर लो, फिर तुम कहोगे तुम्हारे लिए कोई कमेंट्स नहीं आ रहे.
क्या बोल रहे हो तुम? क्या बोल रहे? क्या बोला तुमने? क्या बोला है? सॉरी, क्या बोला है?
मैंने कहा ब्लॉग का फाइनल कर लो, फिर तुम रहोगी मेरे कोई कमेंट्स नहीं आ रहे, मेरे लिए सब अंगत कर रहे हैं. तो
गाइस, मुझे ऐसी कोई इनसिक्योरिटी नहीं है.
पहले
जब आप
क्या
मेरे पति को प्यार देते हैं, मुझे ऐसा लगता है आप मुझे प्यार दे रहे हैं.
ओ
ऐसा था
यार,
नहीं. दोनों
ये
तरफ से
जो
प्यार
सब
accept करो.
ये जो बनावटी
ये जो
बातें हैं ना, ये बनावटी बातें, ये जो PR वाली बातें हैं, सब इनसे सीखो, ठीक है? ये जो बता रही है ना, समझा करो. What she means, she does not say. What she says, she does not mean.
I mean, I love you.
She doesn't.
I say I want sushi. I'm eating more sushi. It's right here. Timer on है मेरीना, timer on है आपका.
कम से कम.
Because you are making us very relaxed with this very extensive Japanese buffet. You have put Marina and me under stress.
What?
We are under stress. Yeah. Marina, please जरा stress खत्म करो, ये खाओ हमारे आगे.
कम से कम यहाँ से 5 किलो बढ़ा के जाना है. और जब आपका वेट टेस्ट हो तो आपकी बॉडी में जब पता चलेगी क्या है, सिर्फ सीफूड वाली कैलोरी होगी.
He's slurring because he has to now go pay the bill. And उन्होंने बोल दिया cash only and we have only credit cards, we have no cash.
कि मैं गुरुद्वारे सेवा बड़ी की है, से मैं इतनी भी सेवा कर तैयार.
तो छोड़ दे फिर तुम्हें यहाँ. तुम्हारी काफ़ी यहाँ पे फैन बेस बन सकती है.
हर जगह है मेरी. देखो यहाँ इस मॉल में छोड़ दोगे तो मैं सारा दिन यहाँ पे खड़ा. मैं बुला रहा है.
खा लो.
मैंने नहीं बुलाया है, इसने मुझे बुलाया है.
Wasn't very hard to convince. If you have to travel the train in Thailand, तो फिर आपने कुछ नहीं किया. But in hindsight, समझ में नहीं रहा है कि map was showing 2 hours, but these trains are so amazing कि 2 घंटे की जगह हम 40 मिनट में पहुँचे. Whose fault is it? Mine. I apologize. I'm sorry. But Thailand आए, Bangkok आए और आप BTS में नहीं बैठे. BTS बोलते हैं इसको. Please correct me if I'm wrong. या ट्रेन में नहीं बैठे. तो फिर आपने कुछ नहीं किया guys. Without any hesitation guys, very successfully reached our destination. Of course, Angad is very angry, but the kids are very excited about this train ride. I highly recommend it. And how cool is the Spider-Man? Love it. अगर आप बैंकॉक आए और आप टुक में नहीं बैठे तो कहाँ बैठे? How's it going Angad? Excitement level सिर्फ मेरी है, आपका भी नहीं.
लाइफ काटी है टुकटुकों में.
और दिखाती हूँ मैं आपको कि बैंकॉक लगता कैसे है through the eyes of passengers in a tuk-tuk. It's beautiful. What's the plan, Angad, for today?
We are going to the play area and drop them.
And then what are you doing?
Then just I will move
Do
away.
some shopping.
Doing some shopping.
Yeah.
The thing is, when we do shopping, only Papa's doing the shopping and I'm not because I'm only advising him. Yes, it's true. Angad, should we go?
तो यार झूठे बंदे सारे इकट्ठे किए हुए.
Guys, I've been ready for the past 1 hour. Nobody wants to leave. It's their problem. मैं यहीं पे हूँ, दरवाजे पे खड़ी हूँ, and you guys are proof. अंतियों के नहीं ले आई ना Central World. Yes, that's the plan for this morning.
पापा पीछे आ.
Oh my God, what is he
रात से
doing?
निकल गए हैं.
It is red. Please, somebody stop him. It's a bus. He's being caught on camera as well. Don't do this, guys.
वो लेके जा रहे हैं पापा.
We are here at something called Dessert Cafe. It is so cool. Like you have to take a look at the menu. They have desserts that are literally like mountain sizes, and pancakes, coffee, literally the yummiest. आधा में खा लिया, आधा में खाने वाले हैं. But oh my God, last few days नहीं आज से no sugar. ये ना मेरा हो नहीं रहा है अभी ये जो 6 kilos in 3 months हो नहीं पाएगा. Angad, you're in the mirror. You want to say something? Just talk to the mirror.
Slim meal or low fat meal?
Why don't you take this and order the coffee? Let's go order some.
meal.
We're going to go order some coffee. I'm going to take you because Angad has quite the field day doing it. Ask Papa what happened just now.
Papa, what happened?
तेरी माँ ने पैसे देते, उन्होंने मना कर दिए. फिर इन्होंने मेरा कार्ड लिखा, कार्ड ना पेमेंट होगी बस इन्हीं गलती ਜਿਹੜੀ हर बारी होती है
So Mama, what happened?
What happened?
Mama forgot her cards in the room, so now no shopping. Now we have to go back. I only got one card.
Mama got only one card, that was the room key card.
These
ये हाल है तेरी माँ की
I love you, ना राजा. Oof, रंग उतर गया है इधर उधर घूमते 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 घूमते. But more importantly, what is the plan? Thai massage, yeah. So we're going to get stretched in many different directions. All right. So, but we're also in the mood for a snack. It's been a long day. This is what we are having. Mine, of course, no sugar, no dairy, and I'm chosen this one. Always looks the best. Why is it that his food looks better than mine? At all times. At all times. Check him out. क्या plan, Angad, abhi?
हाँ
Acting like I'm a fan, huh?
ये जो आ जाते हैं ना यहाँ वहाँ से दाएं बाएं से अभी प्लान ये है असाई वेरी रोल बनेगा वो हो जाएगा मेरे फिर मैं जाऊँगा मसाज के लिए जाएगा एंड देन I'm on flight I'm going back India and ये चले ने परसों
Last day here without Angad. We found this acai story. Vegan, sugar-free, very healthy breakfast bowl. And I miss you, Angad. Thank you for leaving this for me. The traffic sense is also fantastic.
Oh, how do you move your lips? It's so bad.
Okay, yeah, I'm talking normally. Thanks, guys. Feedback.
Everybody, what is this? Top comment has to be tell her stop moving her lips like this.
Where stop it. More importantly, I'm talking about the traffic. It is intense. 10 मिनट लेके निकलेंगे मैप पे दिखाएगा तो वही चीज 30 मिनट लगेगी आपको. Okay, very exciting. Right now हम sea life में हैं. How amazing is this? Oh my God! Look at this. New friend. Hi. Don't sit around like this when you see a real python, okay? Hello, new friend. Okay, it's some glow in the dark kind of place, but I must say that I think the best part about coming to places like this is you learn so much. Like we just learned about jellyfish. Oh my God, you gotta see this. Very late at night, and the sad part is this holiday is officially over. Sad, guys, this holiday is over. Hardest part about finishing a holiday, एक तो holiday खत्म हो रहा है, दूसरा अभी packing करनी है, तीसरा रात के 11 बज गए हैं, चौथा बच्चे मेरी बात नहीं सुन रहे हैं आज because they're like last day. So yeah, let them all have their fill. Most importantly, I'm worried about excess baggage. I'm going to tell everybody my daughters complain. They're constantly teasing me. That's why I can do very little of this. But good morning, guys. Time to go home. Holiday is over. Heartbreaking. Now I'm going to tell you, we're going to Bombay. Last day of chocolate. जितनी chocolate इन्होंने इस छुट्टी में खाई है भाई साहब, कतई नहीं. Yes, I love my kids, but tomorrow onwards, it's party over.
Now come tomorrow. It is Earth Day.
He said tomorrow onwards it's Earth Day. The class list is out. One of his friends is back in school with him. His closest friends. He's very excited. Meher, are you excited with the class list? All of Meher's friends are going away, but doesn't matter. That's what life is all about, baby. You make new friends, you hold on to the old ones, you have chocolate milk with chocolate sauce and chocolate pancake. Guys, ये नहीं हो पाएगा. कतई नहीं. इनको रुकना पड़ेगा. Okay, we're here at the airport. Let's go check our flight. Let's go check. What? Mumbai cancelled? How is it even possible? What's our flight number? 1052 or 1604? 1604. How is it possible? बच गए. Come on, guys, let's go. Just like that, guys, a fabulous trip has come to an end. My children are sitting right next to me. But yeah, another summer vacation comes to an end. It's been amazing. My husband, of course, left me one day before usual. But having said that, आप सबको हमारे साथ में like what you saw, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, comment. And of course, this Thursday be a brand new episode of Double Date. We'll see you there. Bye-bye with love from Thailand. Actually, somewhere in the middle of The end.